This video, you are going to learn about HTML tables. HTML tables allow web developers to arrange data into rows and columns. In this HTML file, I have created a simple table. So as you can see in the body section, I have written the code for table, and this is how it looks on the browser. Now let me take you through the syntax of this table. So the table tag defines an HTML table over here. Each table row is defined with a tr tag. Each table header is defined with a th tag. And each table data or cell is defined with a td tag. By default, the text in th elements are bold and centered, and by default, the text in td elements are regular and left aligned. So, in the first line, I have written the table tag, and in the style attribute, I have written width is equal to 50%, which is completely optional. Then, over here, I have created the first row, which will include table headings. So as you can see on the browser, the first row has table headings, which are first name, last name and age. So that is what I will write in the th tag, th opening and closing tag. So first name, last name and age are my table headings. Then in the second row, I have written details of this person named Jill Smith, whose age is 50. So these are table data or table cell. So as you can see, the second row displays details of the person named Jill Smith. Similarly, the third row displays details of the person named Eve Jackson. So over here again I have created third row, and inside that I have written 3 table data or table cells, and finally I have closed the table tag. I have also included some styling for this table over here. So in the style opening and closing tag, I have written the elements table heading and table data, and for that I have given border equals to 1 pixel solid black. And for table data, I have also written text align is equal to center. So without styling, the table would have looked like this. And with styling, it looks like this. So you can style tables in different ways. You can add borders, collapsed borders, cell padding. You can add a caption and much more. But I hope you have understood how to create a basic table, and so you will learn how to style these tables in CSS videos. But for right now, I hope you have learned how to create a table and how to add values to that table. Thank you.